Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to the sixth installment of a CLA and overhaul on a Bolex D8L. Here I've cleaned the glass on the viewfinder, outer lens right there, and around the perimeter I've just put a sealant. So we're going to start installing that at this time. So let's get started doing that. So now I've reinserted the glass with the sealant around the perimeter, and as you can see I have a clear viewable image. Now turn it around and it's time to start, which I've already started. Reinserting the screws back in. Turn this around, keeping note and being careful of the black needle here. It's very delicate. We're going to continue with reassembly of this viewfinder, the external parts. Clean, as you can see. Snap it back in. There we go. Now I'm going to continue with putting the screws back in. Moving forward. Alright, get a screw here, a micro screw, and I have to get this in here, and the viewfinder. So there we go. So now, apart from the viewfinder situations, we can leave that alone for the time being. Cleaning of this plate. Take one of these off. With a camera this old and it has been really mistreated, for a better choice of words. Got a little bit of surface rust right here we're going to clean off. So I'm going to get started on that. And I can do that by doing a little bit of screwdriver work on it, a little bit of light sandpaper. Just a bit here. Do this, and we'll keep moving forward and cleaning and overhauling this camera. So removing some surface rust. Either use a little bit of light sandpaper or a little bit of screwdriver work here again. There we go, making some good way with it. Can't bend these too much or you'll break them, they're very fragile as is. A lot of the inner workings on a Bolex. Alright, moving forward with this. Now what I've done here is I've removed a lot of surface rust. There's been a bit here, all the way around the plate, as you can probably see from my finger here. I'll continue to clean some more on that particular part. And it's time to move on to the continued parts of the front of the camera. And all of this here is going to be about cleaning. Removing all the old grease that has collected dust, and careful of all the spring mechanism work. You do not have to go this deep into the camera unless there's a lot of problems with it. It's been well mistreated. If you purchase a Bolex and you find out that it's got a lot of dust and grime in it, like I did show you at the first installment of my videos, that's a clear indication you got a lot of problems. Alright, so let's get started on a little bit of cleaning here. Gonna remove this, more of this old machine grease off of here. Careful of the spring mechanisms. Best to take a photo of the placement of the spring mechanisms. Before overhauling these cameras. I'll remove these other parts later. The silver parts that you see here. But so far you can see the type of dirt, the old grease that's on these type of cameras. Especially when they've been mistreated as much as this one has. Hope you've enjoyed this sixth installment of the CLA and overhauling of a Bolex DAL. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.